Hi guys, in previous video we learned how to add flash messages in Laravel Livewire. So in this video we will learn how to redirect URL and how to redirect route in Laravel Livewire. So let's get started with an example. So you can see that we already over here, you can see we done like flash messages over here. So what I will do first, okay, and you go here, like there is a photo upload example. So once our photo will upload, then we redirect on success page. Okay, so what I will do, first of all I will go and create one route over here for the testing. So I will say success and simply I will say success over here, and same thing I will copy and paste. I will also give the name, save it. Now let me go here and inside the home I will create function. Okay, and here say success, and here I will simply say return and view, that's called success. Okay, save it, and inside the resource views I will create new blade file, and that's called success dot blade.php. Save it. Okay, now let me go and copy the home right now. Okay, and simply go and I will say success page over here. Okay, and simply remove this one and I will simply say success page. Okay, simply copy this, and inside the blade file you can see here there is already success notification for flash message. I will copy this and simply I will paste over here. Okay, so simply go and refresh, save it. Okay, and now let me go and refresh it. Okay, and now if I go here into the livewire class, simply what I need to do, return redirect, and I will simply say to, and I will simply say success. Okay, so that means once our photo is stored into the folder and table, then it's redirect to the success URL. Simply save it. Okay, and now refresh it and I will choose image, and yeah, and then if I click on submit, you can see that photo uploaded successfully and with the success page you can see here. So how easily we can redirect also from the Livewire. So same thing let me do. So we did like with the URL directly. Let me go to the Livewire class again. So same thing we can also do for route. Okay, so I will say route, and if I go here inside the web, we already defined route name, that's called success. So let me go here and I will simply remove this one and save it. And now let me try again with the route name. So I will choose again image and simply submit it. You can see that photo uploaded successfully. So you can understand how easily we can redirect route and redirect URL from the Livewire. So I hope guys you understand how you can do it. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching guys.